with Raven.
Hi, this is Art with Raven. Today we're going to be painting flowers. Q-tips. You need Q-tips, a painting palette, a water cup and paints, a paintbrush, and paper. First, we're going to start by getting our paint ready. So we have to mix some colors, so get red and white. And then put red, and then you're gonna mix it with your paintbrush. And after when you're done mixing, it will start to turn into a pink. It should look like that. Now, get white and green. And then this will make a light green. Okay, now I'm going to use yellow and white. Okay. Now get your white and blue. Get your black. Okay, so now you're going to kind of make this shape. Kind of looks like a petal. Well, it's a flower petal, and keep doing it. Okay, so now just make the same shape for the other flowers, just use different colors you have. Okay, this time I'm going to make the flower blue. You can make them big or small, because I'm going to make this one big. Now since you've made your flowers, now get your Q-tip and put it in your black. Then you can put 3 or 4 dots on the flowers. Since this one's big, I'm going to put 4. This needs 1. Okay, now with your green, you're going to make kind of like you did with the flowers, kind of make a petal shape and then make another under, and that's how you make the leaves. I'm going to put at least 4. I need more. And if you don't want to use green leaves, you can do pink leaves. Okay, I'm going to also use pink leaves. Now you can get your Q-tip and you can put it in some different colors and you can just dab it all around wherever you think it needs to go. Okay, now since you've made the flowers, now you've made a beautiful flower painting.